In today's video, I will walk you through how to display additional company details on your online invoices in Xero. To get started, click on your company name in the top left corner of your Xero dashboard. This opens a menu with several options related to your organization and account settings. From that menu, click on Settings to continue. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the option called Organization Details and select it. This is where your company's main information is stored and where you can control which details appear on your online invoices. After opening Organization Details, you'll see a page containing different fields and settings for your business information. Scroll through the page until you find the option labeled Display Additional Details on your online invoices. Turn this option on by clicking the switch beside it. As soon as you enable it, you'll notice that several checkboxes become available. These checkboxes let you choose which company details you want to include on your online invoices. Take a moment to review the available options. Select the checkboxes for the details you want to display on your invoices. These may include information such as your business address, your company phone number, or any other available company details shown in this section. Choose only the details you want your customers to see on your online invoices. As you make your selections, Xero will prepare those details to appear whenever an online invoice is viewed. After you've finished selecting the information you want to display, review your choices one more time to make sure everything is correct. Confirm that the switch is still turned on and that the checkboxes you selected match the information you want to include. Once you've checked everything, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. Saving your changes applies the updated settings to your account so they can be used on your online invoices going forward. After the changes have been saved, your selected company details will automatically appear on future online invoices. You don't need to repeat these steps each time you create a new invoice because the settings you've saved will continue to be used until you decide to change them again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.